Welcome to our tutorial about Object Snaps mode. In our previous lesson, we used the Object Snaps toolbar. The problem with this is that you have to activate the snap command each time you want to use it. To save yourself some time, you can use Object Snap mode. Conveniently, it happens to be one of the mode toggles in the status bar. First, let's right-click on the Object Snap toolbar and hide it. Just unselect it. Now let's activate Object Snap mode with a left click. To see the active tools, right-click. The active snaps appear in a blue box. Endpoint, midpoint, center, intersection, and extension are currently active. We can activate or deactivate tools here, one at a time. Or we can right-click, scroll to Settings, and check which tools you'd like to see active. I want the endpoint, the center, quadrant, but I'll uncheck intersection and extension and click OK. Now let's activate the line tool. Left-click to snap to this endpoint. And let's snap to the center of the circle as well. Let's mouse over this circle. Here's the quadrant and the center snap points. They're located pretty closely to one another. And what that means is that I need to select the area more precisely to snap to the right point. And let's continue left-clicking to snap to the center points of these circles. Right-click and enter to close the tool. If you activate too many snap types, it can be hard to use and kind of confusing. Let's activate endpoint, center, and extension. And now let's activate the line tool. Now when I mouse over this endpoint, both the snap to endpoint and the snap to extension options are available. In order to see the snap to extension, I'm going to have to drag my mouse a little more to the right. Now only the extension option is active. Left-click to accept. If I try to snap to the center of this circle, I've got 3 snap tools active: center, extension, and endpoint. Let's work with fewer snap modes to clear this up a little. Right-click on the Object Snap toggle and unselect extension as well as center. Actually, let me deactivate the endpoint snap and leave the center snap on. And now I snap to the center of this circle very easily. Right-click and enter to close the tool. I do recommend that if you're relatively new to AutoCAD, you should use only 2 or 3 snap types at any given time. It'll definitely be less confusing. And this concludes our tutorial about Object Snap mode.